A team of researchers recently released a swarm of AI-powered bots on the Change My View subreddit, leading to controversy among Redditors. The experiment explored how persuasive AI can be, with the bots posting over 1,700 comments impersonating humans and adopting personas like abuse survivors or anti-Black Lives Matter advocates. Reddit condemned the, quote, improper and highly unethical experiment, and has signaled an upcoming action to verify users' humanity in order to protect against bot manipulation and keep the platform authentic. This may involve working with third-party services to confirm a user's identity, which could be unpopular with users who come to Reddit for anonymity. Reddit plans to tighten its verification process to prevent bad bots from infiltrating the platform. Although a Reddit spokesperson declined to specify under what circumstances the company would require users to undergo verification, they confirmed that Reddit already bans such bots. The company may use third-party services like Persona, Alloy, Stripe Identity, Plaid, or Footprint for verification, which often necessitate a government-issued ID to confirm age and humanity. CEO Steve Huffman stressed that anonymity is crucial to Reddit and that the platform will remain protective of users' personal information while continuing to push back against demands from public or private authorities. Electric vehicle maker Rivian reported better-than-expected Q1 results, including a gross profit of $206 million, its highest to date, and revenue of $1.24 billion, slightly higher than the previous year. However, the company said it would have to raise capital expenditure guidance due to tariffs on auto parts as well as evolving trade regulation, policies, and tariffs. The company also downgraded its 2025 delivery outlook to 40,000 to 46,000 units, from 46 to 51,000 units. Rivian will likely receive some offsets on foreign-made parts as a U.S. producer. The future of USMCA parts and their tariff exemption status is still uncertain. Despite this challenge, Rivian continues to progress in the production ramp-up of its upcoming R2 model with a target launch date of 2026. The company also has a commitment from the Department of Energy for a $6.6 billion loan to support the construction of an assembly plant outside Atlanta. But the White House and the Department of Government Efficiency are scrutinizing the deal, potentially putting the loan in limbo. AgEagle Aerial Systems launched an updated version of its EB Vision application software that allows autonomous drone navigation without GNSS signals. The update provides greater control and reliability in environments where GPS is jammed, compromised, or unavailable. AgEagle CEO Bill Irby said the feature would prove especially useful for defense personnel, public safety agencies, and industrial teams operating in high-stakes, GNSS-denied areas such as urban centers or contested zones with active signal interference. Other software updates include optical flow stabilization for target lock and real-time adjustments to drone position using visual confirmation and mapping. Other advancements have made for improved drone functionality and safety for capabilities like seamless transitions after position updates, enhanced ground detection to prevent false landings, better handling of pitot tubes during takeoff, real-time estimates of remaining flight time and return-to-home duration, optimized cruise speed in windy conditions, high-precision landings with STL altitude calibration, gimbal auto-recovery from obstructions, and smart motor speed reduction to prevent overheating. AgEagle Aerial Systems also partnered with F9 Distribution Baltic to host Drone Days, a week-long event showcasing the capabilities of their EB Vision and EB TAC drones to potential customers in Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. The event attracted over 150 key decision-makers from the region's defense, military, and public safety sectors who experienced live flight demonstrations showcasing the drone's real-time surveillance and mapping capabilities. The EB Vision drone conducted successful flight operations in GNSS-denied environments, showcasing its rapid descent and ascent capabilities. Flights were conducted at 450 meters altitude and up to 2.4 kilometers beyond visual line of sight. The EB Vision's aerodynamic fixed-wing design allowed for a nearly vertical takeoff and stable operation, even in strong headwinds of up to 43 kilometers per hour, 26.7 miles per hour. Supermicrocomputer lowered its full-year revenue forecast due to economic uncertainty caused by trade tensions and increased competition from other AI server makers. They now expect revenues of between $21.8 and $22.6 billion this year, down from the prior guidance of $23.5 to $25 billion. CEO Charles Liang said tariffs and macroeconomic uncertainty were making it hard to predict technology adoption rates. while CFO David Wygand added that industry-wide shifts towards NVIDIA's AI Blackwell graphics processing units had also increased price competition in the server market. Opendoor Technologies reported a revenue of $1.2 billion in Q1 2025, with 2,946 homes sold and 3,609 homes acquired, up 4% year-over-year. Inventory stood at $2.4 billion, representing 7,080 homes, while unrestricted cash was at $559 million. For Q2 2025, revenue guidance is expected between $1.45 and $1.525 billion. Approximately 1,700 homes are anticipated for Q2 2025 home acquisitions. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.